Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new front air strut for the Mercedes-Benz GL-Class X164 without ADS, excluding AMG. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start the air strut removal by setting the steering to straight ahead. Then raise the vehicle, remove the applicable front wheel, and disconnect the sway bar linkage. Now, remove the nut from the ball joint and separate it from the spindle assembly. Then, cut the cable tie securing the wire harness mount and remove the wire harness mount from the shock. Disconnect the air line by unscrewing the air fitting from the strut's top mount. Next, remove the 3 upper mount flange nuts, followed by the lower shock mount nut and bolt. Then, remove the strut from the vehicle. Now, install the Arnott strut onto the vehicle in the same orientation as removed. Install the lower shock mount bolt and nut and tighten to the manufacturer's specifications. Reattach the spindle assembly and install the nut onto the ball joint. Using the supplied cable tie, secure the wire harness mount to the shock. Then, using the supplied hardware, install and tighten the top mounting nuts. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Complete the installation by removing the plastic shipping pin from the air inlet fitting. Push the air hose in until fully seated in place. The airline will not pull out when inserted properly. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air strut of a Mercedes-Benz GL-Class X164 with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.